Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw this drawing so cute and fun. This is a monster and so fun drawing. So let's draw step by step how to draw a monster. So let's draw with me, friend. We start to draw his body like this. Draw this line. Good job, friend. You draw this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Next, you draw his legs like this. Draw like this. Right side and left side. Like this. Good job, friend. Next, you draw his face like this. Draw a circle here and another circle here. Good job. Next, you draw this point and this point. So fun. Now you draw the mouth like this. Now you draw like this. Whoa, so fun. You draw like this and like this. Whoa, this monster is so fun. Draw this, this, and this. Go ahead, let's draw with me. Next, you draw this line. Whoa. And this. Draw this. And this. Whoa. Go ahead. Next, you draw the arms. Whoa. Draw this. Okay, friends, let's draw right side and left side like this. Whoa. And draw this and connect here. So fun. Now you can draw these points. Whoa. Draw this. You can draw like this. Whoa. Friends, don't forget to sign your drawing. I really like this drawing and I finished it. I hope you like it. So, see you in the next video. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.